Good morning, everyone. My name is Sabto Hadi Imam Bahri. I'm going to be your lecturer for this semester. I'm going to teach Business Niaga, Business Niaga Dasar or Business English. It's going to be 14 class meetings for this subject. And I forgot to mention good morning to Pak Elwin Piarawan Zebua as the lecturer of English in here. And then before we begin with the topic of discussion in here, of course I would like to know your name in this case. Yeah, let me call your name, just say hello. Maybe someday somehow we can meet. You may call me or something. Yeah, I can know you probably. So let me call your name. Here is Jeffrianus number 1, Mr. Jeffrianus Putra Zebua. Okay, and then Kevin Fernandez Zebua, and then Okta Arlin Hareva. Next is Nofrianti Nduru. Next is Rido Kurniawan Gea. And then Pontianus Cahyono Laila, Anugrah Setiawan Gea, Caroline Putri Estetika Daya, Nita Sofiani Warubu, Cicin Yaina Ceria Lase, Jevan Selamat Sabar Hatizai, Novitasari Graha, Trisna Dewinta Warubu, Kasih Ramani Hareva, dan Happy Sri Suryani Gea. I would like to thank you for IKIP Gunung Sitoli for the opportunity given to me to be part of your teaching staff in here. And for this topic, it's going to cover 14 meetings in here. For the first meeting, we are going to talk about days and dates in here. In the first meeting, we are going to discuss about greeting, because greeting can be sometimes, if you know the people well, you can use informal greeting or formal greeting. For example, like if informal meeting, maybe you can say, how are you doing? Informal meeting, how are you? That's formal meeting. Sometimes, how have you been? How is it going? Things like that, when you get to know the person that you are talking to very well. But if you just meet the person for the first time, then use formal English conversation. Okay. Next, after this, we are going to cover some practice that we are going to use in this conversation. Of course, grammar is also needed for this topic, for this subject, but I think we are going to put more concentration on how to make conversation depending upon the situation. In this case, we are going to learn how to make a conversation during the meeting, and then also there is salutation that you need to understand, to know also. Again, if you talk to, you write a letter to a company, for example, different than you write a letter to your friend. Yeah, for example, dear Miss Smith, you have to put the last name, not the first name. The first name, if you write dear John, for example, that will be your close friend. But if you just meet a person, then you have to put their last name, dear Miss Smith, this Mr. Smith, and so on. Okay. Next, we are going, in this topic also, we are going to discuss about preposition, because prepositions is not hard actually, but it could be hard. So depends on the how often you use the prepositions. In my case, I don't really want to memorize, put an effort to memorize all those prepositions, because it's just a lot of them. I use it and automatically it will be in my mind actually. Yeah? But for this topic, chapter 1 or bab 1 in here, we are going to concentrate on prepositions of time and place in here. Okay. Next is there will be some exercise that you can do. It's about the preposition there, and then also we are going to talk about match the way we say the times with the correct watch. Like for example, 7 kurang 10, usually there are two ways of saying it. 10 to 7, you can do it. You can do also like that. Probably the other way, the other way you can say it is 10 till 7. That's an example of that one. Yeah. And then umpamanya jam 7.45 atau 15 menit lagi ke arah jam 8 umpamanya, itu you can say quarter to 8 or quarter till 8. Okay, that's what we are going to study about the way we say it when we talk about times. And then dates, like for example, the day before yesterday, last Monday, the day after tomorrow, next week or something like that. We are going to match the phrases with the dates in the calendar. Next, in here also, students also are expected to be able to arrange a meeting using English. Then probably you need to be able to introduce yourself, introduce the people who are attending the meeting, why they are here, what they do, all those things. You have to be able to arrange the meeting. And also the next topic is we are going to be talking about arrange an appointment. For example, you want to go to the dentist or something, then you have to be able to make an appointment as a patient or as a nurse in this case. Next, some exercise that I will give you, and some conversation also, speaking practice also will be there, and I think it will cover the whole topic for the first meeting. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the second meeting. Thank you.